DIY tutorial. My name is Afifa. Today, I will show you how to transform everyday item you already have at home into something useful. In this video, we're going to create a stylish and eco-friendly tissue box using just old cardboard and newspaper. It's a simple project that not only helps you save money, but also reduces waste. So, let's get started and give new life to those materials you may throw away. Before we start, prepare the tools and material first. For the material, we need a cardboard box, old newspaper, flannel cloth, and small piece of hook and loop tape. For the tools, we need glue gun, paper glue, cutter, ruler, pencil, stick, and scissors. So, let's get started for the step. The first step, cut the newspaper into 23 cm long and 10 cm wide to be rolled up. You can use the ruler to measure the length. Second step, roll up the newspaper using a stick. And start from the end of the newspaper. And after we come to the end, apply glue at another end to stick it. So, the roll doesn't come off easily. Repeat this step until we have the desired amount to cover the entire surface of the cardboard. Step 3. Prepare 2 pieces of cardboard with the size of 23 cm long and 9 cm wide. Cut it with cutter. Like this. 2 pieces of cardboard with the size of 12 cm long and 9 cm wide. Cut it. Like this. And 1 piece of cardboard with the size of 23 cm long and 12 cm wide for the base. Like this. Then, arrange the newspaper rolls one by one and stick it on the outside of the cardboard to make 4 walls using glue. It will be like this. Trim the edges of the newspaper according to the length and width of the cardboard. Repeat this step until everything is neat. Like this. For the roof, cut a cardboard box with the size of 23 cm long and 12 cm wide. Then, make a hole in the center of a box, and then cut it out. It will be like this. After that, cover it also with rolled newspaper. And we have it. Then, arrange all the walls using glue gun. For the last step, decorate the tissue box with flannel cloth.
so that the edges of the tissue box will look more neat. Measure the flannel cloth with a size of 3 cm wide to cover the edges. Stick it with a glue gun. Cover all the edges with flannel cloth, and you will have it. And put a small piece of the hook and loop tape to lock the tissue box using a glue gun. And there you have it! Beautiful custom tissue box made entirely from material you already have at home. You have made something unique and functional, while you've also taken a step toward reducing waste in your home. Thanks for joining us today. Happy crafting and see you in the next video. Bye bye!